Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are staying safe. Alhamdulillah. Welcome back to our social class. In our previous class, we learned about good values, isn't it? Yeah. And now, can anyone tell me what are good values?
The good values are personal values, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values, and constitutional values.
Yeah, you remember it, right? Okay, tell me what are personal values?
Personal values are truth, honesty, generosity, friendship, and mercy.
Good. Tell me what are cultural values?
Cultural values are good manners and living together in harmony.
Very good. Tell me what are social values?
Social values are maintain good relationship, respect elders, maintain friendship, be tolerant.
MashaAllah. You're right, children. Okay, can anyone tell me what are disciplinary values?
Disciplinary values are punctuality, doing work on time, involvement, hold your morals.
MashaAllah. Well done. Good job, children. Okay, now let's move on to today's module. Here we are going to learn about constitutional values. According to the Hadith, Hubbul Watani Minal Iman, we should be faithful towards our country. Let's learn the constitutional values. Safeguard the public properties, which means we should not do any harm to the public properties. The properties in places like public parks, train, post office, roads and public schools. Understood? Okay, next constitutional value is maintain the unity and integrity of the nation. We all are one. We should be united always. Next value is developing scientific attitude. We should always be curious in learning things. Next is protect the natural resources. Yes, we should not waste the natural resources because it will go extinct. We should always care for the environment. And we should always honor the national symbols. We should respect our national symbols. In no way we should disrespect them. We should always try to preserve our culture and heritage. Next value is we should always respect martyrs and their sacrifices. We should always remember them. And the factors that affect our values are extreme faith in religion, which leads to communalism, and don't break the queue, don't spit anywhere, and don't dump the garbage everywhere. Stop polluting the land and water. Next, let's look over the violation of rules and values in the name of worship. That is, breaking the white pumpkin on the roads. Have you seen this? Yes, it leads to many major accidents. Next comes burning the old objects during the festival of Bogi and submerging the idols. All these leads to the pollution of land and water. And bursting the crackers in turn causes the pollution of air. And in the name of modernization, polythene, plastics and non-decomposable things are used, which causes various problems in the environment. One main feature of good value is to preserve hygiene. Each person should be taught to be hygienic and follow the routine as wake up early in the morning, brush your teeth twice a day, have a bath, wear clean and neat clothes, trim your hair, cut the nails, and wash your hands. You should focus on your hand washing as it is the need of the hour. We should wash our hands with the soap. We should focus on the wrist and back of the hands and between fingers. Right? And when to wash our hands? We need to wash our hands after arriving home, after coughing, sneezing and blowing nose, after using the toilet, after using public transport, after we visit the sick, right? The best way to maintain the personal hygiene is to perform wudu all the time, right? Hope you all understood. Please student, be safe, don't go outside. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.